Everybody needs a great cheese sauce recipe, and this is it. It's simple and it takes about 2 minutes to make. It's so diverse, it can be used across the board. My favourite ways are roast veggies dipped in it, in a lasagna, on top of baked beans, or through pasta, but really the possibilities are endless. All it requires is some flour, some turmeric for colour, some salt, garlic powder, nutritional yeast, some vegan butter, and plant-based milk of your choice. Let's take it to the stove. So to make this cheese sauce, here we are on the stove, and I'm going to put in some vegan butter into a saucepan. Let that melt. Okay, so as you can see, that's nice and melted. It's time to add in some flour and give it a whisk. Pretty much instantly we're going to have this beautiful paste form, and into that we can start adding our milk, a little bit at a time. It really is quite magical how suddenly we have thick, beautiful sauce within seconds, really. So as soon as it gets thick, we're going to add some more. Now towards the end, like now when we put all the liquid in, it's just going to need a little bit longer to thicken up. We're going to add our flavour. So that is going to come from the nutritional yeast, the garlic powder, and the salt. And it really is important to season well here, because cheese itself, traditional cheese, has a lot of salt in it. And we need to make up for that by seasoning properly. So a good generous, very generous pinch in there. And then I like to add just a touch of turmeric to make this sauce a beautiful golden colour.